To make green eggs and ham, crack your egg. Crack your eggs. You want to separate the whites from the yolk. Just toss it back and forth between the two. The whites drain off. There we go. Now we have some red cabbage juice. This is from boiled red cabbage. It's a natural litmus, and the whites of the eggs are a slight base. So we'll add a little salt to it, and we'll mix in some red cabbage juice. It's already starting to turn green. Add a little more. Slight bit more so we get a nice green color. There we go. Now that our pan's hot, we want to slowly add the egg whites so they don't run over, because they're runnier than they were because of the additional liquids. Let that harden up a little bit. Now we can add the egg yolk. A little more time to solidify. Egg yolk in and cover it. And there we have it, green eggs.